Hi everyone, I just wanted to record a quick video to show you some highlights of our Schoology class. In every class, you will see at the top of the page in our material section 3 folders: red folder, a yellow folder, and our weekly blue folder. In the red folder are Miss A's resources. If you click on that, you can find out more information about our class. There'll be a syllabus, my welcome letter, and information about office hours. If you click on the office hours, you'll see when the office hours are, and there's also a live link that you can click on to be taken directly to the office hours. You enter your name there, and you click join to join our office hours. Back in our class, on the main page, on the materials page, you can always see what is inside a folder by clicking on the arrow on the left side of the folder. It will show you the attachments that are inside, and when you click it again, it's a description of the folder. The yellow folder has a bunch of great Schoology how-tos, including how to submit an assignment from Google Drive, a video on how to submit an assignment in any other format, and what is really valuable is the Schoology Student Guide, and that has answers to any question you could probably come up with about how to use Schoology. The bottom folder is our blue folder. This has our weekly assignments, and it will be updated every week. You'll have access to this folder on the Monday of each week, and it has our weekly assignments broken down by day. So here are our weekly assignments for September 3rd to 6th, and you can see you have each day and what we need to do for each day of our class. If you click on the blue folder, you will see more information. So here are the September 3rd assignments. Here's other information that we'll be covering sometimes in our live lessons. But what you actually need to do each day is detailed in the blue folder itself on the front page, and you can toggle that by clicking this little arrow to the left of the blue folder. Once the week has finished, all the blue folders will be put into this gray folder, which houses all of our old weekly folders. And if you click on that, you can see the individual folders. Next week, this folder will move down to there as well, and so on. If you ever needed to catch up or wanted to look back on something that we had covered in previous weeks, it's all here. So I'll never actually get rid of anything. I'll just move it into our old archived weekly folders. If you want to see what's upcoming for the class, you can look on the right side and see our class submissions, our quizzes that are coming up. And if you look on the left side, you can click for class updates. You can click to see your grade book. This student doesn't have any grades. As the grades come in, they will appear here. The student hasn't done any work yet, which is fine because it is the first day of school. If you have any other questions, you can feel free to contact me anytime, either by Schoology by clicking on this envelope here and sending me a message, as many of you have done, or sending me an email to my Inspire email account, or calling or texting me on the phone. Have a great day. Bye.